Social proof is key to making sales, but writing convincing testimonials can feel awkward. What if you could generate realistic examples instantly? Writing testimonials that feel genuine can be tricky, but AI makes it fast and flexible. Here's the prompt I typed. Feel free to grab it for your own projects. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT delivers multiple testimonial examples, each showcasing real benefits and outcomes. You can pick the best ones, tweak them slightly, and add them to your website or sales page. But testimonials alone won't drive sales. You need a system to incorporate them effectively. That's what the AI Business Builder Challenge covers. Over 5 beginner-friendly episodes, it teaches you how to integrate AI-generated testimonials, content, and funnels into a revenue-generating business setup. Along with the episodes, you also get bonuses like the $136 million business plan, giving you insights into the exact strategies that scale to millions. Stop struggling to write social proof. Let AI suggest realistic testimonials, then turn them into credibility and sales with the AI Business Builder Challenge. It's just $17 and the link is ready for you in the description.